Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode here on DADDYGVILLE'S world. I am JR, also known as DADDYGVILLE. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel pump relay. It's a quick thing, just a couple snaps, a pull and a plug, and that's it. And here you go. Here's the new relay for the fuel pump. It comes in a box like this. Costed what, $12?
$11.65.
Oh, $12.
$11.65.
Whatever. Alright, here is where it goes underneath your hood. Here, hold that. Let's pop open this clamp here. That clamp there. You pull it off. Right here it is. And if you don't know which one it is, it's got a diagram inside of it right here. Fuel pump relay. Put it right here. 2 bolts, which is that one right there. All you gotta do, pull it out.
It's not as easy as it looks, guys.
Yeah, it can only go in one way. Plug it in. And there you go. That's how to change the relay. Have a nice day. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.